How to deal and communicate in Welsh with the Department for Work and Pensions. This video has audio and subtitles. Did you know that if you live in Wales, you can choose to deal and communicate with the Department for Work and Pensions, the DWP, in either Welsh or English? In this video, we will tell you more about the different ways you can access our services in Welsh, if this is your preferred language. To make your choice, when you start to deal with us, tell us if you want to communicate with DWP in Welsh. You can let us know either online, by phone, or on a claim form. And you can choose Welsh for your written or verbal communications, or both. Online. Information about our benefits and services is available in Welsh on gov.uk. Just select the Cymraeg link to read it in Welsh. We provide a list of what content is available on the website. Where you can make a claim online, you can do this in Welsh too. Forms. You can get our claim forms, help notes and leaflets in Welsh. Letters. You can write to us in Welsh and, if we need to send a reply, we will do this in Welsh too. Telephone. We have dedicated Welsh phone lines available for many of our benefits. Your call will be answered by a Welsh-speaking member of staff. Our other phone lines also allow you to select an option to speak to us in Welsh. Face-to-face. All of our offices in Wales have staff that can speak to you in Welsh. They can easily be identified as they were a Welsh speaker working Welsh lanyard. If you are not able to come to see us in person and we decide to visit you at your home, we have Welsh-speaking visiting officers for all areas of Wales. Accessibility. If you need your communications in a different format, such as large print or audio, please tell us and we can arrange that. Social media. We provide Welsh content on our Twitter accounts and DWP YouTube channel. On Twitter, we give information about our services and support customers who are seeking employment, training, or to improve their work-related skills. On YouTube, we have Welsh videos explaining our benefits and services. Our commitment to providing services for the public in Wales is detailed in our Welsh language scheme. For more information about services in Welsh, go to gov.uk/Cymraeg. This video is a guide only.